Welcome to How to Solve Poverty. Today's questions: what is microeconomics? How does it underlie the problem of poverty? To find out, let's dive into today's lesson.
Explain succinctly what microeconomics are from first principles.
Microeconomics is a branch of economics that deals with the study of individual economic agents, such as households, firms, and markets. It analyzes how these agents make decisions regarding the allocation of scarce resources and how their interactions in various markets shape the overall economy. Microeconomics focuses on understanding the behavior of consumers and producers, the determination of prices, and the implications of individual choices on resource allocation.
Why do microeconomics exist? What role does it play in the complex systems of our lives?
Microeconomics exists to provide a framework for understanding and analyzing the fundamental building blocks of the economy, the individual economic agents. It explores the mechanisms that drive the decisions made by households and firms, and how these decisions collectively shape market outcomes. The role of microeconomics in our lives is significant because it helps us comprehend various aspects of economic activities, such as why certain goods cost more than others, how consumer preferences influence product demand, and how firms optimize production and pricing strategies.
How do microeconomics interact with the problem of poverty?
Microeconomics is intricately linked to the problem of poverty. It provides insights into the mechanisms that can contribute to poverty and how poverty, in turn, affects economic decisions of individuals. Microeconomics studies the labor market, where wages are determined. Poverty often relates to low wages, and understanding labor market dynamics can help address issues such as wage inequality and unemployment. Microeconomics investigates how consumers make choices based on their income and preferences. For individuals living in poverty, limited income can restrict access to basic needs and influence consumption patterns. Microeconomics examines various market structures, including perfect competition and monopolies. Market concentration and lack of competition can exacerbate poverty, as monopolistic firms may exploit consumers.
How might we positively influence microeconomics to help solve poverty?
Governments can implement policies that promote fair competition, reduce barriers to entry for businesses, and enforce labor laws that protect workers' rights and ensure adequate wages. Enhancing the education and skills of individuals can improve their earning potential and provide better access to job opportunities, reducing poverty. Establishing social safety net programs, such as unemployment benefits and conditional cash transfers, can provide temporary support to vulnerable populations during times of economic hardship.
Right now, you are speaking to passionate students who want to solve problems like these. What top 3 skills should they study in order to do so?
One skill is econometrics and data analysis. Understanding econometric techniques and data analysis is crucial for conducting empirical research on the impact of microeconomic policies on poverty. Another skill is behavioral economics. Studying behavioral economics provides insights into the psychological factors that influence economic decision-making, which can be valuable for designing poverty alleviation interventions. A last skill is public policy analysis. Developing skills in public policy analysis helps students evaluate the effectiveness of existing policies and propose evidence-based solutions to address poverty-related challenges.
Thank you so much for your time and attention.
If you want to learn the skills to solve this global challenge, join us for free at Plato University for exclusive content, extra resources, and actionable exercises with every lesson.